Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to be doing making a soup, chicken, vegetable, and rice. Try a little different format this time. And let's get to cooking. Here's the pan's heating up with a little bit of olive oil. That's some chicken fat that I trimmed off. We got some pumpkin here, veg medley, which is okra, green beans, corn, carrots, potatoes, a little bit of spinach here, chicken here, and some of the onion. Put the onion in here to start off with. Got some pre-minced garlic. About a teaspoon, so maybe half a teaspoon. Cooking it over slightly above medium heat. Get rid of that fat down. Add more chicken flavor to it. Take about 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili flakes, or as much as you want, depending on how hot or spicy you want it, or not spicy. Have it be. Down. Add just a touch more oil. We don't want it burning on the We add 1/8 of a little bit of sage, because sage is a powerful herb, or herb, however you say it wherever you're from. You can add a little bit of celery, salt. What we're doing here is building the base for when we actually add the liquid and the other veg. We got called a Rabbie's Scottish seasoning. A little bit, and what it has in it is some fresh flower petals, or not fresh, but some feathered flower petals, such as starflower, cornflower, and purple heather, herbs. It has thyme, bay, ransom, rosemary, basil, marjoram, oregano, parsley, and tarragon, and some various other items. And you have the veg next, veg medley. Take the fat out. You added what it can. And we're just going to add a little bit of capers. So I like the flavor profile of the capers. You add the actual chicken. and fill in the pumpkin. This is some of the leftover pumpkin I roasted up for, I want to say it was Halloween, Thanksgiving. And now we're going to add the water. I got about half a gallon, give or take. Not going to add it all. We'll stir some more. Now, just a small spoonful of this chicken bouillon, just to then give a nice bonus rich chicken flavor. Move it back to medium. We'll put a lid on it, let it cook for a good 10-20 minutes. We'll come back to it. Okay, it's time to add the spinach. Spinach doesn't take long to cook. Don't want to dissolve it in the soup. And add about approximately a little less than a cup of rice. Turn on the heat, recover it, like continue cooking, stirring occasionally so the rice don't stick to the bottom. Okay, the soup is ready. The rice is thoroughly cooked. We serve it up. See if I made a mess up or if it actually came out pretty good. I will see you at the table. Alright, let's try this out. Pretty good. Not bad. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you once again for watching. Good night.